Hey everyone, welcome to the channel How to Log In. In this video, you will learn how you can easily log into your Queensborough Bank account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, jump into your default web browser and in the above search bar, simply type in qnbtrust.bank. This will lead you to the official web page of Queensborough Bank account, and here in the right hand side there is an option to log into your account. Click on there and the new prompt will appear where you can input your credential, input your username and password in the designated field and simply click on the login button so you get logged into your bank account. If you ever forgot your password, please click on the forgot password option to reset your password. Thank you for watching video. Hopefully this guide helped you to log into your bank account. If that's so, like the video, subscribe to our channel and set the bell icon to all. Any of the queries can be dropped in the comment section. See you again in another video. Till then, have a great time.